Bismillahir-Rahman Ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will learn how Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala created this universe. Let's begin. Long ago, there was no earth, no sky, no sun or moon. There was darkness everywhere. Then Allah thought of making a beautiful world, a world full of purpose. Allah just said the words and there was the earth and the sky. There was the bright sun, the shining moon, and twinkling stars. Then came the dry land and the oceans. By just saying the words, Allah made them all. Allah made the earth in 2 days. On it he placed very big mountains. In 6 days he formed the sky into 7 heavens. The lowest heaven he hung with brilliant stars and sent bright comets flying between them. Allah made the earth circle around the sun so that there would be night and day and many different seasons too. Allah filled the vast universe with thousands of stars and many planets, all spinning swiftly but never touching each other. Allah made lovely flowers, roses and pansies, bluebells and lupins, hollyhocks and daisies. Where did the flowers come from? Allah made them all. He made all things large and tiny, little insects and black ants that crawl around on the ground, and the busy bees that fly from flower to flower to collect sweet honey. Allah made juicy fruits, mangoes, oranges, and cherries, crunchy apples, sweet grapes, and soft bananas. Where did the fruits come from? Allah made them all. Allah made the animals. Some live in the forest, large elephants, fat hippos, cunning foxes, fierce tigers, striped zebras, and tall giraffes, fluffy rabbits, strong horses, grazing cows, and sheep. Allah made them all. Beautiful birds flying in the sky, spreading their wings and closing them. Green parrots, white ducks, colorful chickens, flying sparrows, dancing peacocks, singing quails, diving kingfishers, warbling larks, and many more. Where did they all come from? Allah made them all. Allah made the large oceans and the big seas, which cover the earth with water and form into deep lakes and long rivers. Allah made the sea monsters and all the fishes, big and small, large blue whales like mountains, and cruel tiger sharks with big jaws. Allah made the crabs and lobsters and shrimps, huge eels and octopuses, swordfish and jellyfish, and all the many ocean plants and animals. Allah gave us rain and sunshine, cool breezes and clouds passing by. Thank you, Allah, for making such a wonderful world. I hope you liked this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. See you next time. Allah